Well, hey everybody. Do you find yourself sitting around waiting for applications to load on your Mac PowerBook? You hit enter and all you get is the beach ball. Maybe it's time to install more RAM. With more RAM, you won't be waiting hours for Firefox or NeoOffice to load. Let's go over what you'll need. First, you'll need your PowerBook, a stick of RAM, preferably a gig or more, and a set of technician screwdrivers. Turn off your laptop and flip it upside down, but do it gently. We don't want to add RAM just to find out we damaged the hard drive. Now get out the appropriate screwdriver. 1.8 millimeters should do the trick. Using your screwdriver, take the 4 screws out of the plate covering up your RAM slots. Be sure to put them somewhere you don't lose them. With the screws out, you can now remove the back plate. Your RAM housing is now exposed. Here we see there's 1 stick of RAM in the lower housing. Pick up the new stick and angle it so it will slide into the upper housing slot. It should fit snug and you'll hear a click when it's secure. Replace the plate using our 4 screws. Hopefully you didn't lose any of them during this process. If you did everything correctly, you'll get the Mac boot up chime and your start page should load. Now you're working with speed and you'll find tasks that used to take you forever and now just take minutes to complete. May the force be with you. Live long and prosper. Nanu Nanu.